If you've been arrested in Florida or anywhere for that matter, there are 3 emotional stages that anyone will go through. The first time anyone is ever being arrested is an extremely emotional time, and everyone will go through these same stages. What I want to do in this video is explain those stages and hopefully explain to people how they can overcome these emotions and put themselves in a better position to fight their criminal case, whether it be in Florida or elsewhere. My name is Michael Rainka. I'm a criminal defense attorney with more than a decade of experience in Jacksonville, Florida. That first emotion that anyone is going to feel when they've been arrested for the first time is fear. When they feel those handcuffs click into place, when they finally get put into the back of the squad car, when they see that door close behind them, it's fear going through their mind. What do they do next? What is going to happen to me? I don't know where I'm going. I don't know who I'm going to be able to talk to. That fear is a huge motivator for people whenever criminal charges are initiated or they are arrested. Number 2, the second emotion that everyone will feel is confusion. When you get arrested and you get over that anger, that fearful stage, you become more confused about the system in general. You don't know who to talk to. You don't know who to go to with questions or concerns. You don't know what to do. You don't know if you'll be able to speak to your family. You don't know if you'll see a judge. You don't know if you'll get a bond. You don't know if you'll be able to get out of jail. And this confusion is completely normal for everyone. Finally, the third stage is anger. Once you do get out of custody and you are able to speak to attorneys, speak to your family, you are going to feel angry about the circumstances. You're going to be angry at the police officer for arresting you. You're going to think, well, why couldn't you just let me go? If the police officer just let me go, I wouldn't be in this position. I'm so mad about that. I'm mad at the prosecutor for initiating these criminal charges against me. If the prosecutor would just drop these charges, everything would go away and my life would go back to normal. Then once you start making some phone calls, you talk to a couple attorneys, and you realize that it's going to be, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 for a criminal defense attorney to handle your case, and you get angry with those criminal defense attorneys saying, these people just want my money. They're not here to help me, they just want my money. And then finally, you become angry at yourself. You become angry with the decisions that you made. You think back on the case and you worry and you analyze every bit of information that you can, and you internalize it, and you just become angry at yourself. Each of these stages are perfectly normal. Each of these stages are going to happen to everyone who's been arrested for the first time. The best piece of advice that I can give to those people is to make sure that you have someone that you can trust. Make sure that you have, whether it be a privately retained attorney or a public defender, that you know that you have someone who's been in that position before, who's handled that particular case before, and is someone that you're comfortable with and someone that you can trust handling this case moving forward. Just that level of trust and that level of confidence in the person handling your case moving forward is going to lift so much stress, so much anxiety off of your shoulders, because you know that you have a person that you can rely on. You know you have a person that can answer your questions when you have these questions that pop up. You know that you have a person that you can bounce ideas off of. You know that you have a person that you can send information to, that can be a liaison between yourself and the prosecutor. So make sure that after you go through these 3 emotional stages, that you find that one person that you can trust, that one person that you're absolutely comfortable with to handle your criminal case. If you found this information helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that other people may benefit from this video as well.